Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Students, in this video we are going to discuss about the tongue present in the buccal cavity. In our previous video we already discussed the palate, which is the roof of the buccal cavity, and types of teeth present in the buccal cavity. Now we are going to discuss the tongue. Tongue forms the floor of the buccal cavity. It is found free anteriorly and remain attached posteriorly with the help of a ligamentous folds, and we call that fold as frenulum. Tongue is free anteriorly and attached posteriorly with the floor of buccal cavity with the help of a ligamentous folds, and we call this fold as a frenulum. Tongue is made up of skeletal muscle as we know. Skeletal muscle is attached with the bone and help in movement, but here tongue is made up of skeletal muscles but not attached with any bone. If I draw the structure of a tongue, from its anterior surface it is narrower, or the tip of the tongue is narrower, and posterior surface of the tongue is broader. The structure like that it is broader from the posterior end and narrower towards the tip. On the surface of the tongue there are present some papillae. There are three types of papillae are present on the surface of tongue. The first type is circumvallate papillae, which are largest in size and their number is less. Number varies from 8 to 12. They are circular in outline and arranged as a inverted V-shaped structure. Inverted V-shaped structure. As they are circular in outline, around them are present certain grooves. On inside these grooves are present taste buds, which help in tasting the food material. So circumvallate papillae are largest in size. They are very less in number. Their number vary from 8 to 12. They are arranged as V-shaped manner at the posterior end of the tongue. Around the circular outline of these circumvallate papillae there is present the taste buds on its surface, which help in tasting the food material. So in a V-shaped manner they are present at the posterior end. They are circular in outline and they are 8 to 12 in number. The second type of papillae are fungiform papillae. That is fungiform papillae. They are smaller in size than the circumvallate papillae. They are present at the sides, which are showing by green color. They are present on the sides of the tongue. They are also circular in outline. They are more in number than circumvallate papillae, से इनका नंबर ज़्यादा होता है. And taste buds are also present in fungiform papillae. The third type of papillae are the filiform papillae. They are smallest in size and much more numerous than circumvallate and fungiform papillae. They are present in the center of the tongue. They are conical in shape, just like conical in shape, and no taste buds are present in them. So three types of papillae are present on the tongue surface. First one is the circumvallate papillae. Second one is fungiform papillae, which are present on the sides of the tongue, and third one is the filiform papillae. They are smallest and numerous in number. They are conical and no taste buds are present, and they are present at the center of the tongue. So these three types of papillae are present on the surface of the tongue. Now we talk about the taste buds. As we study here, taste buds are present in case of circumvallate papillae and fungiform papillae. Taste buds are not present in filiform papillae. Taste buds are the chemical receptors. They receive the chemicals present in the food substances and help in tasting the substances. Posterior part of the tongue help in tasting the bitter substances. On the posterior part, it is responsible for tasting the bitterness of the substances. At the tip of the tongue, there is an area which help in tasting the sweetness of food material, and on the sides there are sour and salty area which help in identify the taste, whether it is sour or salty. So four types of taste we can identify present in the food material. At the posterior end there is specific area for bitterness. At the tip, to identify the sweetness of the food material. On the sides there is sour and salty area which help in identifying these. One more thing we will discuss, that is function of the tongue. What are the important function of the tongue? Tongue is a gustato-receptor organ, help in finding out the taste of the food material. Another important function which is performed by the tongue, that is they help in mixing of food material with the saliva. When the food material chew inside the buccal cavity and tongue help in mixing these food material with the saliva, then food balls are produced. Next function of the tongue, they help in swallowing of the food balls. Another important function, they help in articulation of speech. When we speak out the word, then tongue touches any specific area of the buccal cavity. For example, if we have to speak out ta, to in formation of or speak out, when we speak out the ta, then tongue has to touch the palate of the buccal cavity. Then we can clearly speak out the ta word. But if there is difficulty in touching the tongue to the palate when we speak out the ta, then the word is not clearly speak out. So tongue help in the articulation of the speech. One more important function of the tongue, that it helps in cleaning of the teeth. Teeth के cleaning में भी ये help करती है. One more thing I am going to discuss here, that is lingual tonsils. Lingual tonsils we also discussed when we read about the pharynx. Lingual tonsils located on the posterior surface of the tongue. At this position, at the posterior end of the tongue, which also places them near the opening of the oral cavity into the pharynx. Lingual tonsils की क्या position है? They are located on the posterior surface of the tongue, and this is the area near the opening of the oral cavity into the pharynx. So lingual tonsils are present at the posterior end of the tongue. What is their function? They are the lymphoid organs of our body. They help to prevent us from infection. They contain B and T lymphocyte cells, and lingual tonsils only get activated when bacterial or viruses come in contact with these tonsils. So they provide the protection from these type of infection to our body. एक बार क्विक समरी करते हैं कि क्या हमने यहाँ पर पढ़ा है. Tongue forms the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free anteriorly and attached posteriorly with the help of a ligamentous folds, which we called it as frenulum. They are made up of skeletal muscles, but in case of tongue, skeletal muscles is not attached with any kind of bones. If we talk about the structure of the tongue, posteriorly it is broader at the tip. It is somewhat narrower in shape. On the surface of the tongue, three types of papillae are there. Circumvallate papillae, which is present in the V-shaped manner. Their number is less and largest in size. They are circular in outline. The number is maybe 8 to 12. They vary in number. And around the circular line of the circumvallate papillae, there are present taste buds. The second type of papillae are the fungiform papillae. They are smaller in size than the circumvallate papillae. Their number is more than the circumvallate papillae, and taste buds are also present in them. Fungiform papillae are present on the side of the tongue. Third type of papillae, filiform papillae. They are smallest and numerous in number, present at the center of the tongue. They are conical in shape, and no taste buds are present into the filiform papillae. What important function tongue is performed? It is gustatoreceptors, receives the chemicals and help in perceiving the taste. They help in mixing of food with saliva and forms the food balls, and help in swallowing of these food balls, help in articulation of speech, and help in cleaning of the teeth. What about taste buds? Taste buds are present into papillae, circumvallate papillae and fungiform papillae. They are chemoreceptors and help in tasting the bud. They are present all over the surface of the tongue. Posterior part of the tongue perceive the bitterness of the food material. At the anterior tip is able to identify the sweetness of the food, and on the sides there is the area which help in tasting the sour and salty substances. A little about lingual tonsils. They are located on the posterior surface of the tongue, which also places them near the opening of the oral cavity into the pharynx. Help to prevent infection. It consists of B and T lymphocyte cells. They get activated at the time of infection when bacteria or any virus come in contact with tonsils, and help us to prevent from any kind of infection. This is all about in this video. I think the concept of tongue is very much clear to you all. In our next video, we discuss about the salivary glands which are present into the buccal cavity and help in the digestion of the food material. Thank you so much.